Alright, so instruction manual only came with this tool, came with this screw, plus all these little ones. Don't mind all the dog hair, that's her fault. Anyways, had to use my drill, some bits, a spare wrench from my daughter's swing set, and then the tool that came with it and a spare screwdriver in order to put it together. Didn't take forever long. Definitely had plenty of steps to do. Lights up. Lights up. Got a brake pedal down here instead of a gas. Got your keys right here. And then you have a twist throttle. Shit. Which is pretty quick. Thing is pretty cool. And then another sunrise, another